Welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm Blacksea, and I have another video for you guys. Today, I want to talk about a meme coin called Bonk. I want to talk about cryptocom coin, and I want to also talk about how today is the first day that the traditional stock market is open. Guys, we are at 6,260 subscribers. Once we reach 10,000 subscribers, we are giving away $1,000 worth of Bitcoin. And when we reach 25,000 subscribers, we are giving away this loaded line NFT, which is about $2,500. Can't wait to give this away, guys. Let's hop into this video. So, as of today, the crypto heat map is relatively sideways. However, we do have Solana pumping hard, guys. Pretty crazy. Pretty crazy. It's up about 18 to 19%. It's fluctuating. Pretty crazy as of everybody calling Solana dead. We'll see if this pump can maintain, but you got to respect the pump, guys. Sometimes people look at the pumps and you get upset about them and say, oh my gosh, like how is that thing pumping? But a pump is a pump. You got to respect the pump. But okay, so basically, there's a crazy meme coin that's out right now that came out on Solana, and I'm really looking forward to talking with you about that, guys. It's very, very interesting. It's good to see a community having fun during all this FUD around their chain. But so basically, this is the stock market, and the stock market open today is the first time of the year that the traditional market is open. And basically, right now we are down on the S&P 500 a little bit, but you can kind of just get a general picture of what's going on here. I mean, Tesla down 11.58%, pretty crazy. Apple down about 4%. Nvidia, the tech is coming down. It's the semiconductors in total are coming down. It's pretty crazy, guys. I'm really curious to see where the stock market is headed in the 2023 because honestly, the Fed needs to probably be pretty dovish. Otherwise, there's going to be some serious problems happening in the macroeconomics of the world. But does that mean they have to be dovish even though there will be problems? No, but they probably should. So let's find out. I'm really curious to keep a close eye on this with you guys. All right, let's talk about coin. So coin right now is still trading between the 10 cents and the 5.5 cent range, guys. We are bouncing off of this, and it's good. I'm happy that we're bouncing off of this. We need some green. We're looking at hiking a she candles right now. We need some of this. That's what we want. Right now, I really think that this is healthy as long as we don't break below this 5.5 cent. Guys, we've been trading at this 5.5 cent range for, oh my gosh, probably, what are we looking at here? Over about a month and a half almost. It's pretty crazy, guys. We've been trading at this for a while, and you're not gonna like it when I say this, but we could definitely trade for not only another month and a half, but we could probably trade it around this range between the 5.5 and 10 cent range for 3 to 6 more months. You know you don't want to hear that, but I will say that we potentially will not see that if Bitcoin comes up leading into the halvening. So we are definitely getting closer and closer to that, guys. I really am an advocate of the theory that 365 days leading into the Bitcoin halving, we will rally, and that the bottom will be in 365 days to the Bitcoin halving. Like in the previous cycle, 370 days was the mark from the top to the bottom to indicate, okay, now we can start moving to the upside and get a recovery. And right now we're at 419 days, guys, which is absolutely incredible for a length of a bear market. But I will say, I do think that we bottomed out at about 407 days from the peak of Bitcoin and from the November top of 69,000. I think 406 to 407 days when we bottomed. And now I'm just increasing these days as we go until I get pure signal and confirmation that we did bottom. But guys, 365 days leading to the Bitcoin halving is we're going to really start to see a upswing in momentum, and I'm really looking forward to seeing how that plans out and pays. Because honestly, you know, guys, I will say that the macroeconomics are pretty bearish, but leading into this new year, I am definitely leaning that the Fed is going to be a little bit more dovish than they have been because you can't just be super, super hawkish year over year over year because it's going to bring down the stock market. It's going to bring down the economy to levels that are just catastrophic. And, I don't want to be the bearer of bad news, but that's just the fact. You can't just keep raising rates into oblivion because, I mean, if you look what's going on right now, people are getting their cars repossessed. It's impossible to pay mortgages. It's getting pretty crazy. But so I want to also talk about the S&P 500 because that is a big indication of what is going on with the overall crypto market, guys. So we have opened up here. Let's look at the daily because today, let's do this. Yeah, we are having a semi-green day actually on the S&P 500. We're just barely playing around right now. I mean, we're still green right now, but I like to see that. I do like to see that. I like to see this curvature. Hopefully we can do that and actually move up to this the top of this channel, this resistance, and hopefully we can break out. Like I've been saying for a while now, if we break out of this upward resistance level, that's going to be a green light for the risk-on asset rally, including cryptocurrency and big tech. So I'm really looking forward to that, guys. What we don't want to see is breaking below this level here at about 3,800. If we break below that, close below that, then we'll probably be coming down to about this level, which will be about the 3,365. And if we are retesting the 3,365 over here, that is a big moment and a big price target because that was right before we had the pandemic dump on the S&P 500 and when we started putting in a ton of money. So we'll have to see what happens, guys. You know, we're going to have to keep a very, very close eye on this S&P 500 because if the S&P 500 comes down, unfortunately, crypto's coming down with it, and unless we get the magical decoupling event. But let's keep a close eye on it. So, guys, I want to talk about Bonk, okay? Bonk is a meme coin that has come out in the Solana ecosystem. You know, it's very, very interesting. I mean, it's basically was airdropped to everybody that was holding certain NFTs. I think like some of them, to name a few, were Clanosaurs. I believe D-Gods and Utes were not because they announced that they were moving and bridging to Ethereum and to Polygon with Utes. But lots of Solana NFT holders were airdropped this token. I was airdropped a couple billion of these tokens, and it's been a wild ride. It's been a lot of fun. The community on Twitter has been going off, joking about it. Somebody made a app where basically you can burn 10 million bonk in it, a image of a Shiba Inu smacking Sam Bankman-Fried's head with a stick. It's pretty funny, but you know, I'm just really happy to see during all this FUD that's been happening with Solana, and you know, I will be honest, guys. I will be honest. You know, call it FUD or not, but there are some facts and some black marks on Solana because of FTX and Sam Bankman-Fried's association. It's just a fact. But I will say the community is rallying. The price of Solana has gone up 20% since the low of about, I believe it was about $8 and some change, high end eights. But since then, we have rallied to about $13, and this meme coin has been really playing around in the ecosystem, and everyone's been having a blast with it. And it's been pumping. It was a free airdrop, guys. Free decentralized airdrop sent to tons and tons of wallets, and it's pumping. I believe that my airdrop was about a $150 airdrop, which is pretty crazy, guys, just from holding NFTs. It was completely out of the blue. Nobody knew where it was coming from, and everyone at first thought it was a scam, but it's not. And it's really interesting to see what's going on. It's really good to have communities rallying around and having fun in the Solana space. And, you know, I want to talk about that and tie that back into crypto.com because I really compare the Cronos NFT ecosystem to the Solana ecosystem because I've spent a lot of time in both of them. And in the Solana ecosystem, it is a very, very strong community, guys. I just really want to see CrowCoin and crypto.com, the Cronos NFT ecosystem, just to adapt and kind of, if they could just garner 10% of what the Solana NFT ecosystem is like, it would be absolutely massive for CrowCoin. I mean, it would be absolutely astronomically bullish. And, you know, everyone just needs to kind of come together in the Cronos space. You know, I see a lot of people going back and forth and being kind of negative, and, you know, right now in crypto, what we really need are the communities to come together and build. Because right now in this bear market, guys, the bear market's not going to last forever. It's really not. And we're going to be back in the bull run, and we're going to have lots of new people coming in. And it's going to be important that we greet newcomers to the Cronos space, to the Solana space, whatever space you may be in, so that the space can grow. It's as simple as that. You want the space to grow, you'll make more money, and you'll have more fun. It's as simple as that, guys. But guys, if you stuck around this far, please consider becoming a member to the channel. If you become a member of the channel, you get these nice perks, these badges that are loyalty badges, as well as these emojis, and you will also be able to use them in our live streams every Tuesday and Thursday at 5:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. And on top of that, you get 10 additional entries each month. You are a YouTube member towards this loaded line giveaway, guys. Guys, we really want to give this loaded line away, and you have a massive advantage if you're a member. So, that being said, guys, we also have a private Discord coming out for certain levels of our Patreons and our YouTube members. So keep in mind that, and that should be coming out very, very shortly, guys. You get lots of one-on-one time with Crypto Kip and I, and that's about it, guys. So if you stuck around this far, please like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.